So we are starting with the famous internet dessert, apple roses. So we start to make the apples and put them in micro oven. We are using puff pastry. Then we just fold up the apple and the puff pastry with the cinnamon sugar and the preserved jam of raspberries. Bake in the oven until crispy golds. Beware not to burn them, and serve with ice cream. Now the apple tarts are ready to serve with nice ice cream.